Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to cancel replacement order on Amazon and get refund. First, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and sign in to your account. Next, tap the profile icon located next to the home icon in the bottom right corner. Then, select your orders to view your recent purchases. Scroll through the list and find the replacement order you want to cancel. Tap on that order to open its details and look for the Cancel Order option. If it's available, tap it and confirm the cancellation. If you have already been charged, your refund request will be processed automatically. You should receive your refund within a few days. That's it. You've successfully cancelled your replacement order and requested a refund. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.